So we got the exhaust welded up on Denise. Here's the manifold. Cleaned up some of the bolts on that. We're going to have to take that off someday. Going down the downpipe there. Nothing new here. So this is where the new pipe started getting welded on, the downpipe, and then to the catalytic converter, which is new. And from there onto the existing muffler. I don't know why they used two pieces there, but they did. There's a little bit of a pinhole between the two pieces of new pipe they welded there. There's the existing muffler with a new strap. So the reason we want to get this exhaust system nice and tight is because we're going to use this car for getting off-road, and obviously the muffler getting pulled off, snag on the clamps.
That's good. Want some candy?